Aloha. Hi, I'm Brian Holly, and this is another in my online ukulele tutorials. Today I'm going to be playing another song that I teach beginners, Bob Marley's famous Three Little Birds. It's a great three-chord song. C, G, and F are what I'll be showing you today. They're usually the first three chords we learn on the ukulele. And I'll be playing it in nice, slow, educational tempo, 4/4 time. That's the time we're working on. We're trying to start understanding time signatures by learning 4/4 time, sometimes called common time because it is so common. So we're just going to start off on the C chord. Let me show you the three chords we're going to be playing. That's the C. We call it home chord. The next one is a G chord. Our pointer finger on the second fret, our second finger on the first fret, and then our ring finger dividing those two, making a little triangle. That's how I taught my kids, little triangle. And the final chord is the F chord. Wonderful chord on the ukulele. Okay. Please get your ukulele tuned up and play along with me. We'll count it off like I always do. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rise up this morning, smile with the rising sun. Three little birds pitch by my doorstep, singing sweet songs of melodies pure and true. This is my message to you. Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing gonna be alright. Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing gonna be alright. Rise up this morning, smile with the rising sun. Three little birds pitch by my doorstep, singing sweet songs of melodies pure and true. This is my message to you. Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing gonna be alright. People, I'm singing, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing gonna be alright. Every little thing gonna be alright. Yes, every little thing gonna be alright. Aloha, thanks, Bob.